Welcome, my dear students. You are studying with YPS Academic Solution. Today we will solve 4 questions of trigonometry. Question number 6. If a angle A is equal to angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Solution. We draw a triangle ABC, right angle at C. So this is the triangle ABC, right angle at C. Given cos A is equal to cos B. Now cos A is equal to AS upon H is equal to AC upon AB, and cos B is equal to AS upon H is equal to BC upon AB, and cos A is equal to cos B, AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AB. This implies AC is equal to BC. This implies angle B is equal to angle A because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now next question. Question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and cot square theta. Solution. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 is equal to AS upon OS is equal to AB upon BC, draw triangle ABC. Let AB is equal to 7AK, let AB is equal to 7K and BC is equal to 8K, where K is any positive integer. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to, अब इनकी यहाँ वैल्यू रख दीजिए, 7K स्क्वायर प्लस 8K स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 49K स्क्वायर प्लस 64K स्क्वायर। AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू दोनों का स्क्वायर करके ऐड कर दीजिए तो 113K स्क्वायर। दिस इम्प्लाइज AC इक्वल टू K अंडर रूट 113। नाउ साइन थीटा is equal to OS upon H is equal to BC upon AC is equal to 8K upon K under root 113 is equal to 8 upon under root 113, and cos theta is equal to AS upon H is equal to AB upon AC is equal to 7K upon K under root 113 is equal to 7 upon 113. Now question number 1. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 square minus sin square theta upon 1 square minus cos square theta. Because we have applied this formula, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square is equal to, अब यहाँ इनकी वैल्यू रख दीजिए तो 1 minus 8 upon under root 113 square upon 1 minus 7 upon अंडर रूट 113 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, स्क्वायर कर दीजिए 1 minus 64 upon 113 upon 1 minus 49 upon 113 इज इक्वल टू, एलसीएम ले लीजिए 113 तो यहाँ हो गया 113 minus 64, यहाँ एलसीएम लीजिए 113 तो यहाँ हो गया 113 minus 49, माइनस कर दीजिए तो इज इक्वल टू 49 upon 64, 113 से 113 कैंसिल हो गया। नाउ cot स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 7 by 8 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 49 upon 64. Now we will do the next question. So question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Solution. Given PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. This PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Let QR is equal to x centimeter, QR. PR is equal to 25 minus x centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, in right angled triangle PQR, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. इनकी वैल्यूज रख दीजिए तो 25 minus x whole square इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 625 माइनस 50x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 25 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। इनका होल स्क्वायर खोल दिया तो ये खोला हमने a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर के फॉर्मूले से, जो होता है a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर। अब 25 को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ले गए तो इन दोनों टर्म्स को राइट हैंड साइड में ले गए तो 625 माइनस 25 इक्वल टू 50x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। एक्स स्क्वायर से एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया। दिस इम्प्लाइज 50x इक्वल टू 600। दिस इम्प्लाइज x इज इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू QR। Therefore, PR is equal to 25 minus x is equal to 25 minus 12 is equal to 13 centimeter. Now, sin P is equal to OS upon H is equal to QR upon PR. QR upon PR is equal to 12 by 13. Similarly, cos P is equal to AS upon H is equal to PQ upon PR is equal to 5 by 13. And tan P is equal to OS upon AS is equal to QR upon PQ is equal to 12 by 5. Now question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. So question number 1. The value of tan A is always less than 1. Answer false, because tan A is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. And it is possible OS is equal to or greater than AS, and also it is possible AS is greater than OS. So value of tan A may be less than or equal to 1 or greater than 1. Now next question. Sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Answer true, because sec is equal to h upon as. H, hypotenuse, is greater than or equal to adjacent side. Hence, sec is equal to 12 by 5 is possible. And now question number 3. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Answer false, because cos A is the abbreviation of cosine of angle A, and for cosecant of angle A, the abbreviation is cosec A. Now fourth question. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Answer false, because cot A is a symbol used for cotangent of angle A and cannot be separated. Now question number 5th. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. False, because sin theta is equal to OS, opposite side upon hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is greater than or equal to opposite side. Therefore, the value of sin theta is always less than or equal to 1. But in question, value of sin theta is equal to 4 by 3, which is greater than 1. यदि इन क्वेश्चंस को समझने में आपको कहीं कोई डाउट हो तो आप रिमार्क्स लिखिए, मैं उसका रिप्लाई करूँगा। इसी के साथ बेस्ट ऑफ लक। थैंक यू।